actually
Ernie, I'm
teaching.
gonna interrupt you real quickly, because myself, I say this all the time. Guys, I could listen to Ernie talk all day. His voice is like soothing, like a soothing river to me. I love listening to him talk. What Ernie does is all the teachers, even not teachers, he interviews everybody, and he talks to them, asks them questions, kind of builds a video of who they are so that people can see that. He will interview you and ask you questions and kind of get some information about you so that you can post that. He has claimed the title of Mr. Webtalk, so no one else can take that because he already took it. You know, and what is really truly beautiful about it is in the mere months that Ernie has been a part of IEG, his English has gotten so much better, and it is incredible to watch the growth, you know, and see confidence as well. And someone who, you know, when he joined us, he just said, hey, you know, I just want to talk to some people. Can that happen? And everybody wants to talk to him now. And that is what is incredible. And, you know, Ernie is one of those people that says, you know, look, I know what it does for me. I know the value of this. And when I know when I ask Ernie to talk, sometimes I just got to interrupt him and say, hey, you know, we got to cut you off for a second, because not because we're being rude, and he knows that. It's because Ernie, he has so much inside of him that loves this whole platform and loves the fact that he is interacting with people everywhere. And this whole time that he's, like he said, I've been trying to talk to people in Facebook and no one wants to do that. No one wants to interact like that. And now it's just constant interaction. And it's constant. Whatever he wants, he gets out of it. If he wants to be in a class, he's in a class. If he wants to interview someone, he interviews people. I mean, it's incredible what he's doing for us, you know, as far as like interviewing teachers and stuff like that. And then just, you know, what he gets in return is amazing. And, you know, everything is, you know, is here for a reason. And Ernie is one of those people that when you listen to what he says, you know, Ernie could talk to you for 6 hours about Webtalk and not even be started, because he just understands the value of this and the power of it. And, you know, Ernie, I appreciate you talking.
Thank you so much.